ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, dear learners, welcome back to SBPS online classes. Dear students, we have started NCERT class 6th, our past one, history section, chapter number 1, what, where, how and when. This is the video class number 3. In this video class, we are going to discuss the remaining contents from this chapter 7th one, one past or many, what do dates mean. So let's get start discussion on the concept what one past or many. Dear students, did you notice the title of this book? Our past. So our past is the word plural from the past. It is a plural form of the word past. So there are various past or multiple past the historians recorded. Why? Because people were lived in different parts of Indian subcontinent. They followed their own customs, practices, and the people adopted various occupations. So different parts of our Indian subcontinent, the people used different materials, and they written different books. They've written they engraved so many inscriptions and so on, so that past is not a particularly one time or one event. So past means in different parts of our country different events occurred in different period, so that our historians mentioned the title of this book as a past. So now we are going to start reading. Past was difference from for different groups of people. Past was very different for different groups of people. For example, the lives of herders and farmers were different from those kings and queens. The lifestyle of the herders and farmers, it is quite different from the kings and queens. So kings and queens are living in palaces, and they are given patronage to different people, and people the king, he is a order maker, and people kings are maintaining the provinces with holding large army and so on. But herders life is very different. They are collecting the forest goods, and they are rearing cattle, and sometimes the farmers are involved in the agriculture works and so on. So the both lives are very quite different. So that one more example, the lives of merchants were different from those of craft persons. So merchants are traveling from different part of our Indian subcontinent to sell their goods, but craft persons are living in particular place. They are depend upon the raw materials, and they are selling in local market of their goods and so on. So the everyone's person's life is very different from each other, so that the historians or the book writers given the title for the book as a our past. So another example I'm going to discuss with you, that is people followed different practices. People followed different practices and customs in different parts of our country. So each everyone part who are living in different part of our country, they have their own practices and customs, food habits, and their language is different, and their culture is different and so on. So that, for example, Andaman Island, these people collect their own food by fishing, hunting and collecting forest produce. By contrast, people who living in the cities depend on others for supplies of food. So comparing to Andaman and Nicobar and other cities which are located in our Indian subcontinent, so both people's lifestyle is very different, because Andaman Island there is a no road transportation surround that connected with the any other country. So that the people who lived in Andaman and Nicobar, they depend upon the fishing, hunting and collecting forest produce. And when we talk about the cities, the city people depend upon the villages, because villages provide the all the food supplies to the city people. So this is the very different life style of the people who are living in islands and people living in the city areas. So next we go through another one example. Kings kept the records of their victories of the battlefield. So kings are casually they kept the records of the victories of the battlefield. Is it necessary, dear children? Yes, because whenever they acquire the land of other enemies, they kept the records of the battlefield victories, because they want to show the power of the his kingdom, and his military system or his political condition and economical condition compared to the ordinary people. So ordinary people lifestyle is very different from the king's lifestyle, so that ordinary people did not keep any such records. So this is the some of the points we are going to we are going to keep in mind. So next we go through the another point. So these all the discoveries, archaeologists and historians given us a message that past is not only one, it is multiple. Because after reading all the past with chronologically, we will get the knowledge about the people who lived in different part of our country, what are the customs, what are the lifestyle, what are the practices, and so on. So the historians and archaeologists provide good information or sources that gives good knowledge about our past. So this is the one concept. So next we going to move another last concept from this chapter, that is what do dates mean. Dear students, if somebody asks you the date of your birth, so you may say 12th of August 2000. So you are mentioning the date as day, month, as well as years. Is it necessary to keep remember all these dates? Yes, dear students, of course, because whenever we are going to calculate the age of your years, so you have to keep the your date in your mind, so your birth date in your mind, so that the history also same as yours. For example, when the world war occurred, or when the Vedic period started, so when the Mauryan Empire established, so for to calculate these periods or years, we need the timeline. So timeline is the very important to recognize the period events, as well as in which period these events occurred. So we are going to discuss about the time or period line. So the years are counted from the date generally assigned to the birth of Jesus Christ, the founder of Christianity. So dear students, 2000 is the reference year. In this year, the Jesus Christ was taken birth took birth. He was the founder of the Christianity. Why this is the year considered as a reference year? Because in this 2000 years, various political, economical, social, and political events were occurred in this period. Various Indo-Greek persons visited our India, and they established their companies, as well as various events or developments occurred in India, so that historians consider this 2000 year is the base or origin year for calculating the past and present. So dear students, so after the Jesus birth 2000 year, we are calculating the years as AD. AD means Anno Domini. So Anno Domini, it is the Latin word. It means in the year of Lord. So in the year of Lord means the Jesus Christ lived in this period. So that we are mentioning the particular centuries as AD, Anno Domini, or as well as we are giving the another one abbreviation, that is CE. CE means common era. Common era means we are living in this era. So that is called as a common era. So next, the 2000 years of backwards, we are calculating the all the years with backward manner. So the first one, first we, and we are mentioning these centuries in a abbreviation of BC. BC means before Christ. So before Christ or before Christ era. So these are calculating backward manner. So now you got idea, dear students. So originally history starts with the Stone Age period, that is 2 million years ago, but the historians calculating the years with the baseline as a 2000 year. So this is called as a base year for the calculating the eras, for example centuries, as well as common era, as well as before Christ. So we are living in present day anno domini or common era 2021 or 21. So next we go through the, so all the dates before the birth of Christ are counted backward. So all the dates before the Christ are counted backward and have BC. BC means before Christ added on. So before Christ era. So that is called BCE, used of instead of BC. And some important dates we, mentioned in your textbook, those are related with the BC. So start with the first one. Beginning of agriculture in 8,000 years ago, that we call BC, and 8th BC. And first cities on the Indus Valley civilization started 4,700 years ago. Cities in Ganga valleys, a big kingdom in Magadha established 2,500 years ago. So these are related with the BCE or BC. And the present about AD or common era. So we are living in common era 2021. So these are all the time measurement with event wise. So in upcoming class we will start new chapter. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.